So it is the official start. I'm sorry I look like such a hot mess. I just woke up a little while ago. Of the Thursday vlog. And oh my gosh, I woke up on another level today. Like all week I've been extremely excited, but I woke up this morning about 6 o'clock and I was so nervous, like pit in my stomach, like painful nervous. And I'm going to work just until 12, so like I'm not getting super ready today. I'm just wearing natural hair like I have all week because I just don't have the energy. And I'm just putting on a little bit of makeup to look presentable. But like I am so excited. Like I just went and completely woke Sam up and was like jumping all over him and told him how excited I was. And about 45 seconds later, I did it again. I mean, I'm just like on another level today, but I'm also a little bit overwhelmed because I've been a little bit more slack than I wanted to be this week. And Sam finished packing for the honeymoon last night for him, and I haven't finished for me. I'm not super far off, but there's just things I have to pack that I haven't yet. I have to still really clean our bathroom because everybody comes in town either tonight or tomorrow morning, and I just obviously need to have a clean bathroom for that. But the biggest thing is I need to pack for the wedding day, which I have not done at all. I have not in any way gotten ready. I haven't put my earrings and stuff aside. Like I was supposed to do all that and I just keep getting distracted, or there's something else that I have to do. Something that I really was hoping to get done that probably won't is I wanted to get these vlogs edited for you guys, at least the Saturday through Monday ones, so I wasn't stuck doing them all the weekend we get back from the honeymoon. But it's looking like that's gonna happen. I might take my laptop and do it in the airport if I have time, just because you guys, if you've ever been to an airport, I mean, you know, it's hurry up and wait, and we're gonna get there about 4 o'clock on Sunday morning and our plane doesn't leave until 7. So if security takes a long time, I probably won't get a chance, but I just, you know, if I have the time, I can totally go ahead and edit those vlogs. So I'm not super worried about that. I don't want to stress myself out about that. I know you guys are really excited about the vlogs, and honestly I am too, but it needs to be something that gets put on the back burner so that I can enjoy the moment with my fiance, soon to be husband. Oh my gosh, I get married in 2 days. I'm so excited. I am like a child in a candy store right now. I mean, and I've been excited, like, but I just can't believe it's here. I can't believe, I mean, we're at this point, we're less than 48 hours away from wedding day, and we'll be getting ready about this time on Saturday. We'll be eating breakfast. I will bring you guys along with that as well. It's gonna be so fun. We're doing like a huge breakfast that morning, and honestly, it's just gonna be such a fun day. It's gonna be busy. I don't want it to sound like, you know, it's all rainbows and butterflies. It'll be really busy, but I'm really excited, and I am gonna vlog for that. I wish you guys really could have seen Monday. There are some bad things about vlogging. Like, you don't want to show every part because you want to be in that moment. And on Monday when my friends got engaged, I just kept going, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. And like, I genuinely have, like, I've not been that excited in such a long time. Like, probably my engagement was the last time I was that excited, because they're just the sweetest people ever. And Steven's been my friend for like 7-8 years, and I've seen him date girls, and you know, they've been okay girls, but like I've never seen him fall head over heels in love with anybody like he has Kaylee. And she's so precious and has such a sweet heart, and actually has helped with a lot of the wedding. And you guys, of course, like, nobody ever sees the backstory, nobody ever sees all the hours put into it, but like Kaylee came over for like 4 hours and helped me stuff like wedding envelopes. Like, she's so precious, and I'm so happy for them. And like, so I'm just like giddy this whole week. I've just been like, I'm so excited, and I just can't wait. But I've really got to go. I've got to head to work. I'm only working till 12, thank God, because I think they would look at me today and be like, you're on another level, you need to go home. So I will see you guys in a little bit. Hopefully I will see you after I get out of work, and I've got to run some errands. I've got to go get my nails done. I've got to go get my toes done with my mom. And then it's just like busy, 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 busy. I'll see you guys in a little bit.
Hi everyone, so I think the last time I talked to you guys was this morning. I'm officially done with work. I had a phone meeting with my photographer this afternoon and she's amazing. She gave a lot of really good insight on what to do if it rains, which it's kind of looking like it's still gonna do, but that's okay. So I got my nails done today and they're horrible, so I have to redo them. I've never in my life gotten such a bad manicure and I am like heartbroken because it's just horrible. And like I said something about it and she just like started like, oh, okay. Like she didn't understand what I was saying and it just, my nails look awful. Like I would have let my second grade cousin do these if I knew that this was how bad they were gonna be. I mean, I can do them way better, so I'm just gonna have to do them that way. But I'm about to steam my dresses now. I just got done cleaning the house. So steam my dresses, finish packing for the honeymoon because oh my God, I am so behind on that. And I'm gonna bring you guys along with me to do all that. So let's just go. So I don't think I finished off yesterday's vlog. I ended up actually so exhausted last night. I had to completely redo my nails because the nail salon lady did a horrible job. We had so much we had to do. I had to finish packing for the honeymoon. Just lots of different things. Had to practice the dance with my dad. So didn't finish it, but today we are up, ready, and getting ready to go to rehearsal. We're leaving in about an hour, I believe. And I am so excited. All my friends are coming, and then we have a bridal luncheon after that I'll hopefully get to vlog all the way through, and then we have rehearsal tonight at 5. So tomorrow is officially wedding day. I am so excited, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, so I'm driving and vlogging. I definitely would not recommend this, but I'm only going down to my parents' house. So it is officially rehearsal time. I am ready to go. I am so excited. There's light rain. Honestly, it's nothing I'm gonna stress over because it won't do anything. And if it rains like this tomorrow, we will just get married in the ceremony area and tell everybody to bring their umbrellas because there is no point to move every single chair for rain that Like you can barely feel. So we're going to get my mom. I'm so excited. Like I woke up this morning and I was just like, okay, tomorrow I get married. I get to become a wife to the greatest man I have ever met in my life. And I am so excited. The boys are going go-karting after we, like during our time when we go to the bridal luncheon. And they're going to have a lot of fun. It's going to just be a fun day, like full of hanging out with friends and family. And that is what I'm so excited about, because it's like I get them for more than just wedding day. I get them all day today and all day tomorrow. And I'm really excited. And my sister's home, which is even more awesome. We did not know if the Navy was going to let us have her, but she got leave and she is home for the wedding, and it's super exciting. So I'm going to go inside and get my mom. I'm so excited, and I'll see you guys in a little bit.